Human rights are things that are just and fair, owed to all human beings and enforceable in practice. They are recognized universally because, beyond being just and fair, they acknowledge an ontological value inherent in all members of the human species, without discrimination. Understanding the framework of international human rights law is essential for us, as humanitarian crises often coincide with severe human rights violations. In conflict zones and areas of civil unrest, violations such as forced displacement, torture, and assassinations are widespread. These crimes not only violate the life, dignity, and rights of individuals, but also undermine the stability and recovery of entire communities. For humanitarian workers, it is important to recognize these patterns and understand the legal frameworks that address such violations to provide, whenever possible, adequate protection and support to affected populations. Humanitarian aid thus becomes a powerful tool for protecting human rights, as delivering life-saving assistance also provides an opportunity to reinforce human rights principles on the ground. However, this effort often requires collaboration with organizations specializing in legal and rights-based advocacy. By working together, humanitarian actors can provide comprehensive support that addresses both immediate needs and the protection of rights. Yet collaboration between humanitarian and human rights organizations faces significant challenges, including differing operational mandates, views on neutrality, and security concerns. Navigating these challenges requires strategic partnerships and a shared commitment to upholding human rights. Security and access constraints often make it impossible to implement comprehensive human rights protection efforts, forcing us to choose less ambitious or lower-profile approaches. Decision-making in this dilemma requires balancing actions with the humanitarian imperative, choosing activities that ensure access to victims while maintaining a reasonable level of safety. Stay motivated by considering human rights as a core component of our mission, and take steps to protect these rights whenever possible, in alignment with the relief of urgent needs and the humanitarian imperative.